U.S. stocks plunged on Friday after a key measure of inflation showed prices ticked up in February, fanning fears that President Donald Trump's raft of tariffs on imports will boost prices in the coming months. The Commerce Department's Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index rose 0.3% last month, in line with economists' expectations. But the core PCE price index rose 0.4% last month, the biggest gain since January 2024. That put the annual core inflation rate at 2.8%, well above the Federal Reserve's 2% target. Core PCE, which strips out volatile food and energy prices, is closely monitored by the U.S. Central Bank. Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged last week that inflation had started to rise, quote, partly in response to tariffs, adding that, quote, there may be a delay in further progress over the course of this year. Adding to the unease, final figures released by the University of Michigan showed consumer sentiment deteriorated further in March. The Fed last week kept its benchmark overnight interest rate unchanged. Financial markets expected to resume cutting rates in June. But fears that Trump's trade policies might lead to a period of heightened inflation and tepid economic growth could potentially complicate the Fed's monetary policy plans.